Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress. Org for beginners. First, understand that WordPress. Org is a free, open-source content management system, giving you full control over your website. To begin, you'll need a domain name and web hosting, which typically costs around $5 to $10 per month. Install WordPress on your host, often a one-click process, and then you are ready to log into your new site's administrative area. Once logged in, you'll encounter the WordPress dashboard, your central hub. Navigate the left-hand menu to find options like posts and pages for creating content. The block editor, also known as Gutenberg, allows you to add various content blocks, from text and images to videos and buttons, offering immense flexibility. You can publish your first post in just a few clicks, making content creation straightforward and intuitive for everyone. Customizing your site's appearance is simple with themes. Explore thousands of free and premium themes in the WordPress directory, easily installed from your dashboard. Plugins extend functionality, adding features like contact forms, search engine optimization, or e-commerce capabilities. There are over 60,000 free plugins available. Install and activate them to enhance your site, transforming it into a powerful platform tailored to your specific needs and audience. Maintaining your WordPress site is crucial for its longevity and security. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to the latest versions, typically with one click. Implement a reliable backup solution, perhaps a daily or weekly schedule, to protect your data. Consider installing a security plugin to help prevent common threats. These simple steps ensure your site remains fast, secure, and performs optimally for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.